Making sure that employees are satisfied does not guarantee excellent performance, but managers should make it a priority as much as possible. Of all the major job attitudes, job satisfaction is the best single predictor of behavior. Of course, it's usually best if we have multiple data points, if we measure multiple job attitudes, but if we can only measure one, we should measure job satisfaction. Managers can measure employees' job attitudes regularly and consistently to get a feel for how people are reacting to their work over time. They also need to evaluate the fit between people's work interests and the intrinsic parts of their job to create work that motivates. High pay alone is not going to create a satisfied workforce. There are many other elements to ensuring that job attitudes remain positive. As we move throughout this semester, we will learn more strategies that we can use to redesign jobs, make them more challenging, more interesting, more motivating. In the next lecture for this week, we are going to learn more about the A in the ABCs of human psychology, how affect and emotions play a role in the workplace.